Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. I have few pieces of very fresh keembung fish with me today. I'm going to pan fry it, and then I haven't decided what sauce I want to make for it. Let's pan fry it first. This fish is my personal favorite. My wife hated it. So I prepared something else for her. This is for me and my mother-in-law. And probably my daughter will eat some. So I'm going to pan fry until it is really, really fragrant and aromatic. So first of all, of course, you need to wash the fish and remove the innards. Yeah? Usually, the seller, they will try to remove the innards from here. Right? This part here, there's a hole. So they manage to keep the shape of the fish intact. Then I'm going to, after wipe dry the fish, I'm going to give it some fine salt, and we shall send this to our wok. Right, I'm using a non-stick wok today. So give it some oil and heat it up. And we can pull the fish nicely. So let's pan fry the first side for about 2 minutes before I flip it over to the other side. This is coming to about 2-3 minutes. Flip the fish over one by one. I'm using a bit lesser oil today. No particular reason, just feel like putting lesser oil. Usually I will put much more oil to fried fish, yeah? So this is after another 2.5, about 2 minutes plus. Let me flip it over one more round. Basically it's almost done. I just want to make it, give it more char. I did add a little bit more oil just now, yeah? This is like not even 30% of the normal oil that I'm putting in. Basically the fish is already cooked, but I tend to over fry my fish a bit because I like my fish to be charred. Just after another 1 more minute. Basically done. Right. Getting the charness I'm looking for. So I'll be taking out the fish one by one and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper or a kitchen towel. Here is my very simple pan fried ikan keembung. I think ikan keembung is Indian mackerel. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Alright, I'll probably just make some simple chili padi with soya sauce and a bit of fish sauce to eat together with this fish. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.